Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a quick video. I'm slowly getting my stuff from Aliexpress. And this order was just all about trimming. And I just wanted to show you, I had to show you, a picture would not do justice. Look how beautiful. Look at the little dangling pieces. It's so delicate, the lace and the little flower. It's gorgeous. So I had to get one of each color. So just show you real quick. I think this was $2 a yard. I don't remember. Sometimes you order these things for so long, and certain sellers, it just takes a little bit before you get it. But look how pretty. This is a soft peach. Picture this in your projects. How gorgeous. Look at this soft purple. It's this way. Look at this. It's gorgeous. And then this baby blue. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. What project. But I just thought it was so pretty. And then the white. Look at this. So pretty. And then the pink. So I'm slowly getting stuff. I have more trimming that I should be getting. But I just thought this one was so nice that I loved it. And I wanted to get all the colors. I think I showed you this one already. But that's it. Just a quick video showing you this gorgeous trimming. Now I gotta figure out how to store these. So if you have any advice on how do you store your delicate lace trimming, let me know. Bye guys.